no, kanang ginatawag nato nga stiffness matrix method. So this is usually used no sa programming, like the softwares no kaning mga STAAD, no kaning mga ETABS, and among others. No, they are always using matrix method, explicitly the stiffness, and kaning method is somewhat kuan siya no, compact in the sense no nga it will not take you some equations no nga to consider in your program, but you can put it into a matrix form no kaning atong programming. So I know that some of you have taken already the numerical methods, no, and then I think one of you lang ang medyo new no sa numerical methods no, wala pa niya na-take up since nag-enter siya sa program nato sa Master of Engineering no, sa Civil Engineering. So tonight I will share you the screen no, of how the matrix method was utilized no, in programming, and then you are going to incorporate that one no, sa Visual Basic no, sa inyong programming, and I'm sure no, nga some of you are acquainted no, with Visual Basic at some point no, maybe if not an expert already, but you already have the knowledge no, of how to utilize and use the Visual Basic program. So tonight, I will present to you a bit of a review or a refresher of how we will work no, on different matrix or matrices, considering the addition, considering the subtraction, multiplication, and even no, the inverse of the matrix as a bit of a refresher no, before proceeding to the Gauss-Jordan no, method. So anyone from you who is much familiar or maybe somewhat familiar with the Gauss-Jordan elimination method? Anyone? Walay familiar ninyo ni Gauss-Jordan? Kinsa na yung familiar nga method si Michael Jordan? Engineer Toting? Are you familiar with Michael Jordan?
Michael Jordan na sir, katong Ghost Jordan, ambot lang sir bay.
Pag di mo familiar ni Gauss-Jordan, Engineer Mark Anthony Bobadilla, I think you are familiar with Gauss-Jordan, Engineer Mark. Okay, si
Sir,
Engineer
familiar
Ria
po, sir.
medyo
Familiar po.
nag-thumbs up. Familiar. So, dili lang si Michael Jordan. No? So, we request Miss Bandoles, no? Naka-turn off imong cam, Miss Bandoles. Okay, so, let me share my screen, no? Sa atong topic, no? Of the day, no? Which is a matrix algebra. So, this is very necessary, no? Para ma-incorporate ninyo ni siya sa programming, no? Ang matrix or matrices, no? Especially ang stiffness method using matrix. So I think I need to share my screen. Okay, so can you see my screen, students? So prepare also your computer tonight, no? Because after this presentation, you are going to use the Michael Jordan, no? The elimination method, no? Si Gauss-Jordan elimination method, no? And then after using the Gauss-Jordan elimination method, so you are going to incorporate that one in your program, no? Sa Visual Basic programming. So, kan ba ni siya? Preliminary na ni siya, no? Before we can go into the much complex nga programming no sa Visual Basic using matrix method, all matrix algebra. Okay, so this is no the slide for the matrix algebra. So some of you have taken up the numerical methods, are some familiar no, with the matrix methods of structural analysis. So maybe you are asking why we are using a matrix method of making a structural analysis, because this one is the very fundamental method no for the relationships of equilibrium, compatibility no, so napud siya point no of the compatibility and member force displacement relations are expressed in the form of matrix equations, and analytical procedures are formulated no by applying various matrix operations. So meaning what you did no in our previous meetings, you are going to calculate manually the said problem or the given problem, and then you are going to solve that one. This is considered as analytical procedure no, or method. So this time, we are not only contented with the analytical procedure or method, but we need to use no that one as our input no sa atong program using matrix equations, no matrix nga mga equations or mga matrices. Okay? So next is a matrix is defined as a rectangular array no, of quantities arranged in rows and columns. No, so kanang arrangement nga row no kani siya. And this one is the column nga arrangement no kanang going vertical. So horizontal is rows or row na siya. So if is example is the matrix A no, and we have now this put inside the matrix no, and we have this row no of matrix A11 is row 1 and column 1, and this is A12 row 1 column 2, and this one is A13 is row 1 column 3, and so on and so forth until it reaches the A sub 1n. The same thing for the second one no? So A subscript 221, this is row 2 and column 1. So kaning 2 mo ni ang row, ang 1 is column, same as the other nga mga matrix numbers nimo no sa imong matrix A. So A31, 32, 33 until it reaches the A sub M1, M2, M3 until it reaches also the A sub Mn. So ang iyang size din ani mga students no is the M by N, no, the M by N matrix. Okay. So mao na ni siya no ang atong bit of a review no sa atong matrix. Let's proceed now to the next slide. Example no of this one is the column matrix. So if all the elements of a matrix are arranged in a single column no kani siya column. This is single column. So ang atong n ani is 1 no. As mentioned no, kaning M mo ni siyang atong row, ang n nato is ang column. So therefore ang atong n is 1 since it is a single column. So this one is called a column matrix. So no matter what numbers or numerical values inside this matrix, as long as it is a single column, it is called a column matrix. And we also have the row matrix, no, my students. So kaning row matrix nato, with all of its elements arranged no in a single row no isa ka row so kani nga part din morning row no kani row second row third fourth no so matrix with all of its elements arranged in a single row that is ang atong M is 1 is referred to as a row matrix so example of this is the matrix C no having a single row lang ni siya so row matrix ni siya. The other one is a square matrix, no? And this is a matrix that has the same number of rows and columns. So square man, no? So equal sides, equal po ang iyang size. So ang atong M therefore is equals to N. So it is called a square matrix. So mga siyang example po nato, no? So number of rows, upat, no? Number of columns, 4 po siya. So 4 by 4 ni siya na matrix. So therefore, it is called a square matrix. Okay. Next, we have also a symmetric matrix. When the elements of a square matrix are symmetric or symmetric out in diagonal. So, ang atong A sub ij, no, ang I nato is referring to the row and J is referring to the column is equal to A sub Gi, no? It is termed as symmetric na matrix. Okay. So example of this is shown no, in this right side no, of this slide no, sa atong symmetric matrix. And for the lower triangular matrix, if all the elements no, of a square matrix, take note square gyapon siya, no? 4 by 4 ni siya. Above its main diagonal are 0. So asa man ang iyang main diagonal, no? Kana gyud iyang main diagonal. So if all elements of a square matrix above its main diagonal are 0, so 0 man na tanan above no kani. So therefore it is called a lower triangular matrix. Unsa man po'y kalainan sa upper triangular matrix? So it's the opposite. When all the elements of a square matrix below its main diagonal, so below man sa iyang main diagonal at kani 3 by 3 man sa may below kani. So kung 0 daw ang below sa iyang main diagonal, it is called an upper triangular matrix. Okay? And a diagonal matrix is a square matrix with all of its off-diagonal elements equal to 0. So, asa may off-diagonal mo, mo niya itong diagonal. So, ang iyang mga members nga off-diagonal is outside of this main diagonal. So, katong nasa taas kani. And then nasa ubos kani siya. So, R0 man. No, so, it is called a diagonal matrix. Okay? Next, we also have a unit or identity matrix. If all the diagonal elements no, of a diagonal matrix are equal to 1, if all the diagonal elements, no, kani siya, ang elements in diagonal is kaniman, 1, 1, 1, equal to 1 daw, so it is called a unit or identity matrix. Okay? Unsa po'y tawag sa null na matrix? So if all the elements of a matrix are 0, so 0 tanan. No, it is called a null matrix. So, mao ni siya, no, ang atong mga types of matrices, which is an element, no, or it is a tool, no, that we are going to use then, no, sa atong programming, no, sa atong Visual Basic Programming by using a matrix method. So, as an overview, I'd like you to go into this example, addition and subtraction. Please give me the values no of the matrices no given C is equals to A plus B and your D is equals to A minus B. If ang A nato is this one which is a 3 by 2 matrix and B nato is also this one no it is a 3 by 2 matrix also. So can you give me the value of C, which is the sum of A and B, and the value of D, which is the difference of A and B, given this A and B matrix or matrices. So I'll give you 2 minutes, no, to give me an answer if you can still remember, no, sa atong matrix operations. So now is 6:31 at 32. So by 6:34, please give me an answer of the value of C in matrix form and the value of D in matrix form. You can write that one, no, in the chat box, or you can also raise your hand, no, if you wanted to be recognized. Okay, Engineer Mark, what's the value of A? Your C.
Good evening, sir. So the value of value of C, sir, kay ano, uh, 8, 3, 5, 14, negative 7, and 0.
Yeah, can you write that one in the chat box,
Okay,
Engineer Mark?
sir.
And Engineer Dea, what's the value of your D? D, what's the value of your D? Yeah. Okay, so you're now using your calculator, right? Yeah, so si Engineer Mark, no? So we have now this one, no? So kang Engineer Mark 83514 negative 70, no? So ang imong matrix nga size, unsa man ang imong size sa matrix, Engineer Bobadilla? Still 3 by 3 by 2. Okay. So mo ni siya, no, ang atong answer. So 8, 3, 5, 14, negative 7, and 0. No? And then I think ang atong ikadua, ang D is 4, negative 3, negative 9, 4, 17, and 2. No? So automatic na ni siya, no? Kailangan may calculator. So ang challenge ani later on mga graduate students, no, is you are going to use the matrix algebra or method in your Visual Basic programming, no? So mao na ni siya ang challenge sa inyo. In which this one leads you now to the, if not the complex nga programming, somehow moderate na siya nga programming later on sa mga succeeding nga meetings na to. Okay? So this one, calculate the matrix B if equals to C, no? Times A ni siya, ang atong C is negative 6. So meaning scalar matrix ni siya, no? So ang atong C is negative 6. So kaning atong matrix A, ato lang A times ang kada isa ka values ani by negative 6. So if you're going to multiply that one, negative 6 times 3, so negative 6 times 7, so you will arrive no to this value. Students, no, negative 18, negative 42, 12, 0, negative 48, negative 6, negative 72, 24, and negative 60. And this is basically no the very basic matrix operation, no, for multiplication of matrix and addition, subtraction also. So example, calculate the product of your C, which is A times B, of the matrix A and B, given ang atong matrix, no, 3 by 2 and 2 by 2. So we can arrive, no, at this matrix na to nga 3 by 2, which is negative 2, 9, 26, negative 32, negative 33, and 41. Okay, so this is for the multiplication of matrices. So as mentioned, there were some problems, no, that were given, no, using equations, no. We are very familiar, no, in this one. Even if you are now an engineer, no, even if you're still a student sa masters, and even during your undergrad studies, no, we can always encounter this series of equations. In this case, we have 4 equations, no. This one, A11 x1 plus the sum of this four terms, no? A12x2, A13x3, A14x4, which is equal to P1. So second equation, P2. Third, sum up until P3 and sum up and this one equal to P4. So you can convert this one, no, into a matrix form as shown in the right side, no, on your screen. No? So ang atong mga numerical values sa first equation, second, third, fourth, no, you can put that one, no, in a matrix form like this, which is a 4 by 4 matrix, 11, 12, 13, 14, 21, 22, 23, 24, 31, 32, 33, 34, A 41, 42, 43, 44, and its variables, no, x1, x2, x3, x4, no, this is another matrix, no, which is a column matrix for the variable. And this one is equal now to the column of the load or the values of your P1, P2, P3, and P4, which is a column matrix. So you can convert this equation, no, simultaneous equations into a matrix form na equations. So mao din ni ang gamiton dayon ninyo sa pag-program, no, later on if ever na you are going now to the programming, no, sa Visual Basic. Okay, so simple ano, students? Ngayon siguro mo nga, okay ra kayo na sir, simple lang kayo ng matrix sir. So I challenge you now, no? It's easy to solve, no, matrix, but how about you program it, no, sa Visual Basic? No, so mao na ang challenge mag-start mo karon, no, para moving forward enta then sa atong mga programming is maka-matrix na kita, no, nga mga nga methods, no, in calculating the values as required na by the problem. Okay, so calculate the product AB and BA if given atong A and B. I think questions or question is, are the products of AB and B equal? Anyone? Pareha ba? Equal ba? For this case, given ang A of B nga matrix nga 2 by 2, are the products of AB and BA equal? Equal ba, students? Engineer Daduli, equal ba? I'm not sure, no? So, dili pa siguro sure. Engineer Bianca, equal ba ang product sa AB and BA?
No, sir.
No, sir. So, why? Resolve na nimo Engineer Daduli? Dili equal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, no? So, dili siya equal, no? Even if you are going to check that one, dili gyud siya equal, no? So, atong i-present karon why dili siya equal, no? Kay dili man gud siya ginatawag nato nga commutative. Okay? So, check the AB, which is negative 26, 37, negative 34, and 11. Ang B niya is 27, negative 54, 39, and negative 42. Okay? So, i-compare nimo, so dili gyud siya equal. Okay? Next, transpose, no, of a matrix. So, simple kaya ang transpose, no, because you are just going to convert the row into column, no? So, kani row 1, row 2, row 3, i-convert lang siya nimo, no? Kani column 1, column 2. So, kung mo yung transpose, you are just going to make the column into row, no? So, 2, 5, 2, negative 5, and 1, mo na siya pag-transpose, no? 2, negative 5, and 1, from column to row, no? And then from column, second column to the second row, which is negative 4, 8, and 3. Okay? So, isa ni is 3 by 2. So, therefore, ang atong transpose is 2 by 3 matrix. Okay? So, determine the derivative, no, of the matrix. So this is our matrix A, no? So we take the derivative of the matrix A with respect to x. So I'll give you 2 minutes again, no? Kindly give me the answer, students. So time is 6:42. So 6:44. Unsa mang derivative sa matrix A with respect to x? You can screenshot your solution, no, and share that one in the GC, students. Unsa ang derivative? Remember Gauss derivative with respect to x. Okay, so please share yung answer no sa atong GC. Screenshot lang. So, mag-put sa akong picture no sa atong GC no for a screenshot no sa atong class. Anyone? So, gisa to ina-answer na. So, kindly have a screenshot no, and share that one sa atong GC. Okay, 1 minute more, no? So after that 1 minute, we will then proceed no sa next. So pila answer, no? Pila inyong answer for the matrix, no, of the derivative, no, of your matrix A with respect to x. Ano ba yung nag-screenshot? Wala pa. So by the way, mga graduate students, no, while taking up the derivative, no, so we will announce, no, sa atong class tonight that this coming August 1, we will be having, no, our seminar, no, face-to-face seminar of the topics, no, probabilistic assessment, and then we also have another topic of retrofitting, no, civil engineering topics, no, sa atong fields of specialization. So we are inviting everyone, no, the master students. So please do attend, no, sa atong seminar, face-to-face ni siya nga seminar, this coming August 1, no. Sabado na siya. Dinhi lang sa Cagayan de Oro sa Philtown, no, hotel. So the whole day na siya, no, and then this is also a kind of kuan po sa inyo, no, kanang help, no, because maybe this can guide you, no, through sa inyong mga possible capstone in the future. So we can also ask, no, the presenters, the speakers, any inquiries, no, related to your topics or possible topics, no, sa inyong possible na capstone project, no. So gi-invite po mo namo mga students, no, to become member, no, sa atong Structural Engineers Association of Davao Cagayan de Oro chapter, no. I think familiar na mo sa SIAD or Structural Engineers Association, no, sa Cagayan de Oro chapter. So we are also inviting you to become a member of the association. If you really wanted to have, no, a faculty or professional nga mga development, no, sa inyong respective nga mga expertise, no, students. So don't forget the date, no, August 1, next month. And then if you wanted to become a member of the Structural Engineers Association, so please pwede ka mag-message, no, sa atong GC para ma-schedule mo og interview, no, mag-interview ta una before the seminar, and then if you pass the interview, that's the time then you will proceed na din sa o-taking, no, during the day sa August 1. So gi-invite, no, tanan, and you're all invited, no, to become a member, no, of the Structural Engineers Association, no, of Davao. But Davao lang siya, but national lang siya nga kung ano, national siya nga association. So what's your answer, Engineer Dea? Wala pa? Nakalimot na mo sa inyong derivative? Asa? Where? Sa Messenger, sa Facebook? Okay, we. Okay, so I'll just share no the screen no para some of you got it right. No? So mo ni siya no ay mo kabalaka og ka limot no sa basic no nga derivatives. So mo ni siya no ang atong answer no 2x 3 cosine x negative 4x cube for the first row, and then so sa ikuan. Okay. So second row is 3. Three cosine x, negative 1, negative 2 cosine x sine x. We also have negative 4x cubed, negative 2 cosine x sine x, and 21x squared for the third row. So this is now the answer no, of that one. So also the partial derivative as a bit of a review. No? So this is also the answer no, of the partial derivative. So if you are going to review no, as a refresher no, in getting the partial derivative with respect to y, no, meaning ang atong y ani nga variable is variable dili siya constant. So in this case, I'm getting the partial derivative of 2y to the cube with respect to y. So y is variable, so therefore 6y squared ang atong partial derivative. Okay. Same also for this one, second term. Meaning ang z nato ani is a constant, no? Ang atong variable is y, no? Kung unsa ang imong with respect dinhi is variable, so y atong variable, so negative z dahil siya. So in this case, wala kay y. So meaning all of these terms, variables x and z are constant. So therefore, taking a derivative of the constant is 0. So muna 0. So the same also for the second row and the third row. Okay. For the inverse no, of a matrix or of a square matrix, so therefore we can say that the matrix A times the inverse of matrix A is just simply equal to the identity matrix. So pwede po na siya unahan nimong inverse imong matrix A, anan nimo siya i-multiply sa matrix A. So the same lang result niya ng identity matrix. So check whether or not the matrix B is the inverse of matrix A given ang atong A nga matrix and B. So we can also check no nga AB. So you are going to multiply the two matrices. So mo ni siya identity matrix ang iyang result. Yung identity matrix kung ang iyang diagonal ana is 1 tanan and 0 ang other nga mga elements. So therefore we can say no nga it is an identity matrix. Okay, also for the BA, so the same no 1 0 0 1, so identity matrix yapon sa, so maka decide ta o conclude that A bit equal to BA is equal to the identity matrix and this the inverse of the matrix A. So that is ang B na to is equal to the inverse matrix A. So here comes now the most common use ng method in programming in any structural softwares and dili lang structurals including other softwares no nga mga geotechnical no and any kind of softwares no kani ang Gauss-Jordan elimination method no is one of the most commonly used procedures for solving simultaneous linear equations and for determining verses of matrices. So mao ni siya si Gauss-Jordan elimination method no dili si Michael Jordan ha. So I'll just give you an overview on how we solve no aning mga simultaneous equations no example no given ang three equations. So we have this 5x1 plus 6x2 minus 3x subscript 3 equals to 66 at first equation, and x1 minus x sub 2 plus 2x sub 3 equals to 8. 8x sub 1 minus 7x sub 2 plus 4x sub 3 is equals to negative 39. So these three equations are simultaneous equations, no? So I'll just show you on how we solve this one. Dili pa lang kung ano ka ng Ghost Jordan, but how we solve very basic na solution para makuha na itong three values, no, given the three equations of x1, x2, and x3. So, muna ang normally we follow na procedure, no, para sa solving simultaneous equations, no. So, to determine the three values of unknowns, since we have three equations, we begin by dividing the first equation by the coefficient of x1. So, from the previous, atong first equation, atong numerical coefficient of x1 is 5. So, we will divide, no, as per method, no. Begin by dividing the first equation by the coefficient of its x1. So, i-divide na itong 5. So, muna yung result. Okay? So, nakita niyo na sila. Oh, sana. Okay, so after that one, eliminate the unknown x1 from the second and third equation. So, muna itong second and third equation, no, by successively subtracting from each equation the product of the coefficient of its x1 term and the first equation. So, to eliminate x1 from the second equation, we multiply the first equation by 9, no, and then subtract it from the second equation. And similarly, we eliminate the x1 from the third equation, no, kaning dini, by multiplying the first equation by 8 and subtracting it from the third equation, and so on and so forth, no. So, only siya ang atong result, no, then students, after we do the method, the steps, no, and then with x1 eliminated from all but the first equation, we now divide the second equation by the coefficients of x2 term to obtain, no, this one, para makuha na nato ang reduced na equation. Then next, ang atong x2 is eliminated from the first and the third equations, and by multiplying the second equation by 1.2, no, kay mao ni siya ang atong kuan dinhi karon, no, kay eliminate naman nato, no, ang first and ang x2 is eliminated from the first and third equations, no, kani siya. So kani atong unahon, okay? So multiplying the second equation by 1.2 and subtracting it from the first equation, and then by multiplying the second equation by negative 16.6, no, kani siya. And then the system equations becomes this one after doing the steps. So, ang nangabilin is sa first equation, nawala ng x2. Sa second equation is x2, x3 na lang. And then sa third na itong equation is x3 na lang. So, focusing our attention now on the unknown x3. So, makuha na nato from the third equation, si x3. Looking at this. So, we divide the third equation with the coefficients of x3. Okay? So, ang mabilin, x3 na lang. And then, we obtain then this value na to, no? Which is x3 is equals to negative 7. Okay? And then, ato na din eliminate from the first and second equation by multiplying the third equation by 0.1525, no? Kaning din and subtracting it from the first equation, and then multiplying the third equation by negative 0.6271. So, mo come up na dayon ta sa values nato sa atong x1, x2, and x3, which is x1 equals to 3, x2 equals to 5, and atong x3 then is equal to negative 7. So, pwede po na ninyo ma-check, no, mga students, no, para ma-prove ninyo na sakto ang mga values, no, by having a substitution, no, sa atong tulong equation. Okay? So, this is basically the procedure and the methods, no, and steps we are using even in your undergrad, no, para i-solve na to ang simultaneous equation. So, this time, class activity as of July 1, this day, solve the system of simultaneous equations by the Gauss-Jordan method, no? since akong i-present sa inyo is ano siya, solving simultaneous equations, no? And then you're going to solve this one by Gauss-Jordan method, and then you are going to make a Visual Basic program using the Gauss-Jordan method, mga students. So kani si Gauss-Jordan method, no, mao ni siya using the matrix na dayon, no, nga atong ma-incorporate dito sa ato Visual Basic program. Okay? So mao ni yung activity tonight, no? A very simple sample, no, of these three simultaneous equations using Gauss-Jordan method. And then sa inyong Visual Basic na program dayon is incorporate si matrix na para sa inyong programming sa Visual Basic. So example of a flow, no, nga akong ma-share sa inyo students is kani siya. I-try na kong share kung madako ba dato ni siya. No, this is sample flow, no, sa programming ninyo mga students, no. Pwede mo magbuhat ingani. Ano imong start, and then i-input nimo ang imong certain value, no, nga what is given and unknown. So pwede mo magbuhat o flowchart, no, just like this, no. So kung na kay identity matrix, no, pwede. So kung yes or no, kung no, proceed ka diha. Kung yes, proceed ka sa going down. And then mao lang siya ang basic na to nga overview, no, para on how you're going to make a program using matrix method, no, and Gauss-Jordan method nga nag-use po ng matrix nga mga uh, method. So my advice is kani siya is for a moderate to more complicated minsan nga programming. But I'm just showing to you, no, as a start. Most probably before you are going into the program, no, sa Visual Basic using method of Gauss-Jordan, in which that method is utilizing the matrix or matrix method. So mo sa ning unahon o form, no, kaning loop, no, the direction or flow of your program, para if ever, no, nga na-fix na nimo ni siya on what to do, kung mag-yes or no ka, kung no, going to this direction siya, but if yes, going to that direction. So programming yun siya, no, ang iyang output. So until you can reach, no, sa output, and then that's the time you are going to stop. So basically, mao ni siya ang expected ninyo student nga buhaton, no. Kani nga three simultaneous equations, basically pwede mo makabuhat og flow ani nung just like this as your guide ng students, para before mo enter dito sa inyong Visual Basic programming using the Gauss-Jordan. So that's the time, no, nga mahimo ni siyang guide, no, on how you will do the program in your Visual Basic, no, kani nga flow sa imong flow chart ni siya sa programming. Okay? So that's why I'm asking you mga students, no, nga katong nakakuha niyang numerical method, no. So this is the time, no, that those stock knowledge nga years and subjects, inyo na siyang i-apply sa atong parang nga SEM, no, para sa improve. So any question?
Ay, excuse me, sir. Isan rin ang mga problem, sir?
Again?
Isan rin ang mga problem?
Ako ni send ang slide, no, dito sa atong Google Classroom. So napicturean ninyo to? Wala.
Wala ko ka-screenshot, sir. Bay.
Abi, pag-screenshot sa muna before na ko ikuha dito sa Google Classroom. Ano lang siya. So first thing you do is mag-manual sa mo calculation ani, no? simultaneous equation gamita si Gauss Jordan. So kani si Gauss Jordan method mao ni siya yung method nga na-learn from the numerical methods in the previous semester. So nag-use man to siya matrix. So mag-matrix solution man ning pag-solve manual solving. So after you are done with the manual calculation, akong i-advise sa inyo is ana din mong proceed sa Visual Basic Programming. No, mag-Visual Basic mo dito para may nainay mo kabalo noon how you are going to incorporate the matrix method, no, para sa programming sa Visual Basic before we will proceed to a certain structure, no, like a beam, truss, no, kanang mas maayo nga before tang proceed dito na may basic na knowledge, no, na on how you are going to incorporate the matrix analysis or method dito sa inyong Visual Basic Programming. So this is just the start, no, sa inyong mahitabo nga programming, no, sa succeeding na to nga meeting, no, mag-start na din ka sa lane truss, no, nga programming using matrix method and then the beams until such nga mo proceed na kita sa structure na dayon. So I think okay na to Engineer Day ang Sabado nga make up, no? So magkuha lang ta sa Sabado para sa atong klase atong Monday nga wata naka-klase. So morning activity tonight, no, and then after sa activity tonight, no, maghatag ko og advance assignment ninyo ika-upat yata ang assignment nga maghatag ko ninyo og a simple nga trust nga problem, no, before tayo magklase sa Friday. I'll give you a trust problem in advance for you to solve it in advance also before we will discuss, no, ang katong global and local coordinates, no, considering truss or plain truss or trusses. So maghatag og advance assignment ninyo after this activity tonight. Okay, so I think na screenshot na ninyo, so I'll just upload this one tonight, no, sa atong Google Classroom. Okay. Pwede na mag-stop share na ko, students.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Engineer Mark Bobadilla, you are raising your hand.
Good evening, sir. Sir, when ang deadline ani atong activity?
Yeah, you just do first the manual calculation tonight, no, using Gauss Jordan. So kana lang sa for this night. So if ever nga nauman yung sayo, you start the Visual Basic Programming, but dili ang deadline sa Visual Basic Programming, dili karon but next na meeting na to sa Friday. So the only deadline nga pwede niyo masubmit karon sa Google Classroom is kanang Gauss Jordan nga elimination method, no? And then using matrix, manual calculation, submit that one sa Google Classroom. And then if ever napatay time, no, you can start your Visual Basic Programming. You utilizing and incorporating the Gauss Jordan elimination method. I know nga some of you, no, nanay knowledge about Gauss Jordan, so dali ra ninyo ni man of some of your classmates. So I believe also that you can start the Visual Basic Programming, no, sa uban ninyo mga classmates tonight.
Sir, last agad, sir. Pwede ra mag-ask. With regards sa PIT, sir, ba, individual dito, sir, no?
Yes, ano man.
Kay ang sa syllabus na kay by group. Pero na-realize na po na ko, sir, kay ka, na gamay ra kami karon na SEM. So, yeah.
Manageable lang mo kay mo. manageable lagi kay mo, di mo necessary mag-by group.
Tapos sir, kanang ako lang i-ask sir ba kanang medyo sir na staad like ang results or unsa jud dapat na mogawas sa mga results kay medyo lisod lang gid siya, sir kung awaton ang staad bitaw nga output.
Ayo po, doon na kay mo nang
Lagi
mag-start
sir,
output mo.
magilak na ko sir.
Dili
Like, isa lang
necessary nga the
makapag-
same as that of the stud, no. Dili maski lang Visual Basic nga di gyud pare sa stud mo lang sa mo global na kung foreigner pa
Lagi
mo required na mo og staad nga pareha nga output ba Filipino ra man gud ta. Basic programming, Visual Basic. Magata ko yung example nga program, no? Just like atong kang kang maestro nato. Kaubaros pa ko si Sir Floyd Laberte. No, naka-program na siya po. Magata po kog program nga Visual Basic no from dili gyud siya staad like na output. But if you wish nga pare sa staad, okay ra po. No, okay naman po kung staad like ang inyong gusto nga output, why problema na sa kuha.
Okay sir,
Excuse
thank
me,
you
sir.
sir.
Unsa man nga output inyong kuan, dili staad like but ETABS like? ETABS like or SAP like nga program? Mao ra man sila nga software ban. Tama
Ay, sir,
ba,
kanang
Engineer Bandoles?
Ayaw lang, sir.
Or Fluxys type? Gilang, alam mo ka kung ano kay mag-start pa man mo karon. Karon ang start man gud sa matrix nga programming ninyo. After this kuan sa sunod nato nga meeting mo lisod-lisod na nga matrix. Kay mo proceed naman ta sa plain trust. Proceed naman ta sa mga structures gyud nga programming until mo proceed na din ta sa building, no? As a whole. So if ever you pag-advance na mo daan, pag-advance na mo o program since naka-start naman ta sa matrix method. So I know
Ay.
kanang feeling the engineer Dea kay nagsulod man mo ani nga subject inyo gini manon.
excuse me, sir.
Oh
Kanang
yes.
kon, sir po. Pwede ra pod gun, sir, kanang murag kung ito, sir, bali loads or forces or loads lang sa kwan sir na i-integrate diretso sa kwan sa VBC 6, sir, sa Visual Basic, sir. Ingana lang ito na style ito, sir.
Yun lang ay lang sa pag-overthink. Ay sa pag-overthink no magkuan lang mo follow lang mo sa activity. Ay sa
Sige, sir.
pag-overthink
Thank you, sir.
base ang inyong pagka-overthinking kayo base mao na maka-pressure sa inyo. Pero ang at the end of the SEM, no, ang inyong yung required na output is naka-program mo og usa ka building. No, katong i-require na ko sa inyo nga final requirement ba. No to siya. Di ba 5 or more stories man to? So basically di gyud siya stud like or ETABS but naka-program siya nga mag-input lang mo og dimension, mag-input lang mo og dimension mapurma ang inyong project house or residential or building. Mag-input din mo loading and then mo-calculate siya and then mo-analyze siya, mo-present din mo og mga diagram for stress and stresses, deflections and displacements. Ang ingana ba? So kung napoy wind, no? Wind loading, namang wind loading. So mo produce mo og kanang visual presentation nga asa nag-act ang wind. So just like that, no? Dili gyud siya stud like gyud nga na
Murag staad naman siguro na, sir.
di some part naman na siya.
Sir, pwede naman kuan sir, di ba bridge?
Bridge, okay. Na-mention man na, di ba, bridge or buildings. Mabitang gi-advance na
Sir,
naghatag sa
good
inyong
evening.
daan para inyong matrabaho.
Sir, if bridge sir, pwede na sir kutob lang sa kuan pag-design sa girder.
No, as a whole,
As a whole, jud sir, so apil kuan abutments and all that.
Abutments, tanan mga sizes.
Okay, sir. Sige, sir.
Programmer gid mo mao man ani po.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, pwede 4-story na classroom? Wa di ko makita 5-story, sir, ba?
Sige, okay na lang ang 4-story. 4 and above.
Thank you, sir.
Kanang kuha na, unsymmetrical lang, kanang na irregularity ba? Kanang gamay ra pud nga irregularity, ay po nang very complicated. Kanang nalay irregularity gamay bitaw. Ayaw lang po ng symmetrical tanan. Inoon, as a start na siguro, as a start ninyo, pwede na lang siguro, no, for your, kuha na lang. Basta 4 stories or more. 4 stories or more, sige. For a start, no, for a start sa inyo ang programming, okay, i-accept na lang nato ang symmetrical. Ika, last na lang to ganina. Anong na po may dugang lagi na? Oh, proceed engineer de. What do you want de? Number 12? Sige, pwede na propose. Propose project. Okay. Propose project is okay. 4 stories or more. So, mag-bat kog submission button, no, students, and please do your activity tonight and submit it. So, if ever naka-start na most Visual Basic Programming, mag-atag po kog submission button dito para sa program sa Visual Basic. Okay, let's have an attendance, no, students. Engineer Bandules,
Good evening, sir.
uh,
Present po.
Engineer Babadilia,
Good evening, sir. Present po.
Engineer Dadole,
Good evening, sir. Present, sir.
Engineer De La Salota. Wala ka na?
Present, sir.
Asa?
Present.
Naka-turn off ang camera, Engineer Salota.
Nag-log
Engineer
ako
De
na po.
Lasa. Okay na, nakita ka na ka. Engineer Gabitano.
Present,
So
sir.
while doing your activity, so you can turn off your cam while doing the activity. So Engineer Gabitano,
Present, sir.
Engineer Lacuista,
Present, sir. Good evening po.
naman si Engineer Lacuista.
Hello, sir. Good evening po.
Engineer Laruga,
Present, sir. Good evening.
Engineer Madilo,
Present, sir. Good evening.
Engineer Namukatkat,
Present, sir. Good evening.
Engineer Tuting, I think present mo tanan.
Present, sir. Good evening.
Engineer Onabia.
Good evening, sir. Present, sir.
Yeah, 12 Rogiday mo. Okay? So please do your activity, no, and submit it until 9:30 maximum akong gibutang nga submission. So next na to nga meeting, we are going now to the plain truss, no? And truss or trusses. So before ta mo proceed na din sa hinahinay sa structure na after sa truss.